This year's event took the theme New Challenges for Journalism, Technological Innovations and Issues of Trust. In his welcoming speech, Yonhap News Agency's president and CEO Cho Sung-bo emphasized challenges which have never happened, forcing news agencies to create new products in new forms. Vietnam News Agency introduced its electronic news production system to the delegates. The system plays as the main information channel to provide official information from Vietnamese and international press. On November 8, Yonhap News Agency President and CEO Cho Sung-bo welcomed Vietnam News Agency's General Director Nguyễn Đức Lợi. Lợi said Vietnam News Agency's television channel and e-newspaper are using Yonhap News videos effectively. Earlier on November 7, President of the Republic of Korea Moon Jae-in highlighted the good relations between the Republic of Korea and Vietnam in all fields while hosting delegates from the Organization of Asia-Pacific News Agency in Seoul on November 7. The delegates are leaders of news agencies in Asia-Pacific countries, including General Director of Vietnam News Agency Nguyễn Đức Lợi. Speaking at the meeting, Lợi said that there are sufficient grounds to affirm that the bilateral relations will continue developing in all aspects, especially when the Republic of Korea defines Vietnam as an important partner in the new Southern policy. He said as part of the sound relations between Vietnam and the Republic of Korea, the Vietnam News Agency and the Korean Yonhap News Agency have been actively joining efforts to promote the two countries' relations through diverse information products on their media channels.